So this video is going to show how you can use Seedling to make more seedlings, which is a little strange, I know. So I'll have these tabs up here. To prove this is actually happening, I've got my test site here. So I'm going to open up another tab and go back to the home page. And since this is my seedling of elms, hey, it's elms. No surprises there. So I'm going to go into the menu, change something that should be pretty obvious when this system rebuilds. You'll also see how quickly you can communicate these changes to other people. So let's, for the sake of argument, take off every single one of these. We'll leave OER courses on. Hit save. So that's going to get rid of my primary links. Okay. Hit edit. And mutant seed. So this is a mutant seed because it's a seedling of a seedling is what we're going to demonstrate, right? So based on the way this is replicating its site and packaging it up to you, it has the ability to replicate its site and package it up back to you. So you can infinitely do this if you really wanted to. So we'll go back to backup and migrate. And again, I'm going to turn this into a single page, but just people familiar with backup and migrate probably want to see how this is working. So seed profile, I take the database to the seed bank, backup now. Okay, backed up. I'm going to take the seedling distribution to download. A little bigger there. And just hit pause because it takes a little time. So now we have seedling. You see I have 2 there. So let's open up seedling 2. It only is seedling 2 because it's written to the same downloads folder. So we're going to unarchive that. Open up seedling 2. Let's rename this to seed of seed. So I have my seed of seed. And now we're going to take another data, or we're going to go into localhost again. And we're going to add seed of seed side by side with seedling. So it's going to copy over. It's about 70 megs is what my distribution currently stands at when it's copied down. And first thing we're going to have to do is go in to the site's default files folder. We're going to do the copy again, just like you would for setting Drupal up anywhere. And we're going to change this path to seed of seed. Take my seedling, save and continue, pause and put in the information here. So we've got that installed. More tests, right? So more tests, add more tests, stop more tests, and more tests, and more tests, more tests, why not? And this one, we're also going to disable clean URLs and check for updates, just to show that it's this is a different site. I didn't do anything weird or, just copy from the original seed. So I did make changes to my seedling in an attempt to showcase that this is taking its seed from the seed that was created. Can get a little circular and matrixy. Here. Takes a little bit to import the entire system. It's kind of a common issue with the 5-step process for quickly getting distributions out the door. There we go. So you can see seed of seed. This is my mutant seed, if you will. I'm still logged in here. All the modules are in place. I can click and go to this OER course list here, and you'll see, hey, lo and behold, clean URLs are turned off. So that site still exists there, whereas the seedling site in its original form is going to behave according to that. So you can see, hey, reloaded the page, I can jump to about, that doesn't have the clean URLs change. And as always, with the seedling, you can take the seedling and convert it into another seedling. So I'm hoping this will provide an extremely quick way to communicate very complex systems to other people in the Drupal community and hopefully lower the cost of entry into really understanding what a distribution is and how you can build one.